What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about one of our favorite tools for getting into the minds of our users.
We're talking personas. Comment below if you've ever used personas in your workflow.
Let's dive right in.
We're sure that at some point in your life, you've been in the position that you had to buy a gift for someone else. Maybe a coworker, a distant relative, or maybe your grandma. Yeah, I find it pretty hard to buy gifts for grandma. Or maybe you're a complete recluse, edit YouTube videos all day, and have no friends like us. But if not, I'm sure you've experienced how difficult gift buying can be. Let us know who you find most difficult to buy gifts for in the comments below.
Now picture this. It's your long-lost cousin's birthday, and your mom tells you to bring them a gift. But what do you get? Buying someone a gift outside of your immediate circle is one of the most difficult experiences ever. You ask yourself, what should you get? What if they hate it? What if they already have it? Tough, right?
Now imagine creating a product or an experience for someone that you've never met. That seems downright impossible, unless you've suddenly developed the power to read minds. So, what's a persona? A user persona is a fictional representation created by using real data of a company's target audience. That means we're essentially taking a snapshot of the ideal user or customer. Features in personas can include behavioral patterns, goals, demographics of the type of user that we're designing for, and more. Personas are great, and they should be used by everyone. Whether your persona is a rough idea of your customer or you have the resources and data to create a highly detailed and accurate representation, the important thing is to have a persona. They are a great way to gain perspective into the lives and feelings of your users and help you answer the question, who are we designing for?
The first step to creating personas is to collect data about your target users. You can collect this data by sending out surveys, interviewing current users, skimming threads to find key insights, and more. Second, interpret the data with your team and explore patterns in the user's behavior. With this, you'll be able to visualize and understand exactly who your users are, as well as what they're thinking, doing, feeling, and saying. Lastly, build the persona. This helps us empathize with our personas by making us think of them as real people. And remember, your goal is to answer the questions, who are we designing for, and what do they do, think, and feel? These questions should be answered before jumping into the design phase of any project. Otherwise, you risk building a product that will not be adopted by users and could cost your team a lot of wasted money and time.
It's important to note that personas are not a final product. It should be a live document that's constantly evolving with your product and your company. So for example, now in COVID times, the persona you started off with should be completely different at this point.
If your persona is well constructed, it should reflect your users' hopes, dreams, fears, and desires. And doing so will help you better understand your users.
Check the link below for some of the templates that we use to create amazing personas. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all things UX research and design.
Now go out there and solve some people puzzles.